In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stream on YouTube. So, first of all, what you want to do is go onto YouTube and go to the top here. Go to this where it says Go Live. So click on this. Now, they'll give you some options. Do you want to start right now or a later date? I'll just click Start Now. Don't worry, it won't make you start instantly. Now it's going to ask, do you want to use built-in webcam or streaming software? For us, because we're using OBS, we want to use streaming software. Now, you can fiddle around all the settings here, so there's title, category, all that kind of stuff here. Now, down here is something very important. This is your stream key, and you don't want anyone to see this. You want to click copy here. You want to open up your streaming software like OBS. Go to settings, go to stream, go to service at the top, and change the service to YouTube. Now, you can either connect your account automatically here with YouTube, or you can use stream key like here. And what you would do is you grab this key here, copy it, and you'd paste it in here and press OK and apply. And that would basically set you up ready to stream. So now, when you're ready to go live on YouTube, all you would have to do is click Start Streaming, and this would send a signal to the YouTube studio here, telling them that you want to stream, and it will make you go live like that. Then from here, you can fiddle around with all the different settings, the analytics, the chat, all of that kind of stuff. But that's how you do it. If you enjoyed this video and found it useful, then please like, subscribe, and comment down below that it helped. Thank you for watching.